Can travelers transport alcohol across state lines legally? Imagine packing your favorite bottle for a road trip and wondering if it's okay to bring it into the next state. Well, the rules about transporting alcohol across state lines can be quite surprising. Some states have strict limits, while others are more relaxed. Federal law does not outright ban carrying alcohol for personal use across state borders. But each state can set its own rules, which can make things tricky. Most states allow travelers to bring a certain amount of alcohol without needing a special permit. For example, many states permit up to a few gallons or a specific number of bottles. But some states have quirky restrictions. Tennessee, for instance, only recently, in 2009, changed a law that made it illegal to bring alcohol from other states. Pennsylvania requires visitors to pay state taxes on any alcohol they bring in from outside. Some states impose strict limits on how much alcohol you can carry. Georgia limits in-state transport to half a gallon of spirits, 576 fluid ounces of malt beverages, and half a gallon of wine. If you bring more than that, you might have to pay excise taxes. Florida restricts bringing more than 12 bottles unless you have a license or special permit. Illinois requires permission if you want to bring more than 1 gallon of alcohol into the state in a year. About half of the states need you to have a license or permit to transport alcohol across their borders. The rules vary a lot. Some states only requiring permits if you stop for deliveries or buy large amounts. Others are more lenient if you are just passing through. This patchwork of rules can be confusing for travelers. What's legal in one state might be illegal just across the border. Transporting homemade alcohol adds more odd rules. Delaware and Hawaii allow production and transport of large amounts of homemade drinks under certain conditions. These allowances are quite different from states with strict commercial alcohol laws. In summary, you can usually transport alcohol across state lines for personal use. But the amount you can carry, permit requirements, and taxes differ widely from state to state. Some states have quirky limits on bottle counts or volume, and some requiring special permits. It's a good idea to check each state's rules before crossing borders with alcohol. Being aware of these odd and varied laws can help you avoid legal trouble and enjoy your trip smoothly.